In this video, I will demonstrate how to paint a fairly realistic portrait with watercolor. And my main advice for this video is not to use a regular pencil for the initial sketch, but to use some sort of water-soluble pencil like Derwent Inktense ones that I'm using here. Because first of all, it's a lot easier to make corrections. I can just wipe what I drew wrong with a damp paper towel. I don't have to use an eraser, which can damage the surface of your paper, and then watercolor is not going to go on very smoothly. And also Derwent Inktense pencils will eventually blend with your watercolor and will give you a nice kind of tonal underpainting if you smudge them with your brush or paper towel, and your final result will look more organic. There won't be any extra lines underneath, and everything will just nicely blend together. Now that my drawing / underpainting is ready, I can start painting with watercolor. I'm going to start painting around the face and the figure, working on the background first. And now I'm going to paint the flowers, working pretty loosely, wet and wet. And the leaves will require some negative painting and painting around the flowers. And for her hair, I will start with mineral violet, just straight out of the pan. And a little later, I'm going to mix it with a bit of green to make it more kind of towards brown, a little more neutral shade. Opera pink that I used for the flowers will work great for the face. She's got rosy complexion. I start with a very light wash, which I will intensify as I go. And I want to pull some of the background, some of that blue into the face for shadows. That softens the shadow, making the face curve away from us, and also gives me some shadows that I need on the face. And I finish up this painting by applying several more intense color washes to her hair, to the leaves, and at least 3 more layers of color to the background, varying the colors to make the face stand out a little more. And here is the final result.